It's 4th of August. Interesting candle patterns on the daily charts. I haven't seen this for a long time. On Friday morning, I made a quick video showing you the bearish engulfing candle on the Nasdaq. We made a new all-time high and then collapsed and closed below the previous day's low. A short-term warning for bulls. And of course, on Friday, we fell significantly. Here on Monday morning, we're making a small recovery. But you've got to really be careful when you see some of these bearish engulfing candles, especially on a daily chart. And we saw some very significant bearish engulfing candles in the Forex markets on Friday. So this is the dollar versus the Japanese yen. The Japanese Ministry of Finance raised rates unexpectedly on Friday, which sent the yen through the roof. And at the same time, we had a much smaller than expected employment number and a greater than expected unemployment number in the US. So the dollar collapsed and the yen soared. Look at this bearish engulfing candle in the dollar yen. Bullish engulfing candle in the euro versus the US dollar as the euro soared on Friday. This is a chart of the dollar index. The dollar collapsed with a huge bearish engulfing candle on the daily chart. Here again, Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. The Japanese yen soared as interest rates were raised by 0.25% unexpectedly. And we've got a huge bearish engulfing candle here on the daily chart. This is cable, the pound versus the US dollar. Big bullish engulfing candle there as the pound soared against the US dollar. So could be worth paying attention to a potential change in the direction of the currency markets. Perhaps this is the resumption of the bear trend for the US dollar. The US dollar has been in a bear trend for most of 2025 so far, but maybe this is the beginning of a significant bull trend in the Japanese yen. Something to think about if you're trading currency markets this week. If you want to follow my trades, please go to my website, look at the signal service we provide and my technical analysis and day trading course, which is only £99 per month.